Hello guys, welcome back to our new video guys. In today's new welcome video guys, I will probably gonna show you how to make at least $50 to $100 per week by just doing a task, simple text for free guys. So if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, which is online audio YT, for more videos, updates on how to make money with free tasks and affiliate marketing. There are a bunch of videos that are posted by week, by day, and etc. So you can go and watch them if you like. So let's move to the website where I'm gonna show you how to do a simple text. So first of all, if you like our video, subscribe to the channel. Let's move to the video right now. So the website that we are going to use in order to make that full of cash is called Pickworkers. As some of you guys know Pickworkers and some doesn't know about us. So as we all know, or as I know, Pickworkers is an online marketplace that connects freelancer and business owner and around the world with 80 different taxes. So by the way, you can be able to make money using this website by doing simple text and etc. So they say hire many workers and etc. self-employed and freelancers. You can choose the targeted countries where you, for instance, like advertisers and let me go back and the other things. So there are two ways to earn money using Pickworkers, where they say affiliate and earn freelancing, or freelance and earn. So now I will recommend you to go with the freelance and earn, because we are trying to make money per week, and this affiliate program will help you to refer someone. If you perform a tax, you will get paid commission out of his commission that he have earned. So let's move to the sign up process. So I click on sign up. So as you can see now, here is the sign up process. Type of your response here, emails, real name, password, confirm password, nickname, and select your country. So now for the purpose of this video, we go with Nigeria. So I'm in Nigeria right now, so click Nigeria and scroll down. I am a employee, I am a worker. Choose I'm a worker, I agree and sign up. So they will send you an email to your email address and complete the sign up process. So for me now, I've already get my own account. I'll just go through the login process. So let me click on remember my login and click on login while it is loading guys. So boom, as you can see, here's my balance, here's my account. So there are available jobs that you can be able to use in order to get money. So here are the many times that you can be used in order to get that money guys. They are available more than 1,000 times for you to be able to do, and there are paid survey and offers like other things like category. You can choose the one you like, is whether it's truly an app and other things. So right now you can see how the website look like. For instance, like, let's see, we are going to do this tag that's gonna pay us. Where is it? Sorry guys, this tag here that's gonna pay us 50 cents. Here it is. It says workforce act extension. So let's click on this one. So boom, as you can see, they said over 199 out of 250 people have done it. Time rate 7 days and etc. So here is the what expected from the workers. For instance, like us, that we are going to make money is this for only desktop and laptop, and you must not install software before or completed this job before. So they say go to this link, click the link in the tweet and add swag button to your Chrome or Mozilla browser. sign up and verify email, create a long swag name to quick find your name and fee for you. Example, Marian Cloud and etc. So important. If you complete this job before, you are not allowed to complete it again. Even if you get new account, you must complete the desktop and laptop and etc. Note: do not install the browser extension. You will get a bonus of 100 SB, $10 after 30 days, and you can withdraw it by PayPal. So yeah, the requirement, which is your swag username, your swag full name, go to setting and screenshot the page and etc. Yeah, the requirement for the test. So if you finish the test, your swag username, your swag full username, and choose the screenshot that they say and etc. and send or submit proof. So here is the for the desktop one. So let's go back to show you the Android one, because I know a lot of people use Android and etc. So here are the other categories, or I should say other tags that you can be able to use. So for now I will show you how to make it. By next week I'm going to show you how to withdraw, or even now I can show you. So if you want to withdraw money, like you have money, so just click on where they say profile and click on manage setting, account setting, and all the way scroll down. I see the way they say withdrawal. Well, let me go back to up. Click on my wallet. If you click on my wallet, here is the way you can be able to request withdrawal once you have the money. As you can see, they say withdrawal are processed within 10 business days of placing a request. So they say within 10 business days that we're gonna show is send you money that you just withdraw this platform, which is Pickworkers. So here is actually how to make at least $50 to $100 per week. So if you guys get some value in this video, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on how to make money online. Catch you in the next video.